Welcome to Bay-Lynx, where we've been manufacturing some of the industry's top construction equipment over the past 30 years. Let our team show you how we do it.
The first steps to building our quality products is the staging of the materials. Everything that passes through our pre-production bay is inspected and prepared for the manufacturing process.
Once the material has been inspected, the welders are ready to go. We work with a wide variety of materials including mild steel, hard-ox steel, and aluminum. All of our welds are CWB certified, and we follow all AWS certification guidelines, creating some of the most reliable and dependable bodies in the world.
Every unit goes through a thorough QA and process assessment to ensure perfect quality control.
After the unit is approved, the painting process begins. Bay-Lynx has state-of-the-art steel shop blasts and painting booths. Each unit is steel shop blasted, primed, and then coated with 3 coats of industrial enamel paint.
After production, blast and paint, you're ready for assembly, where we install your pneumatics, your hydraulics, and your electrical.
Bay-Lynx offers a full install service to mount your equipment on any chassis. This allows us to do a full test and PDI, so that when it leaves Bay-Lynx, you're ready to work.
The service doesn't stop at delivery. We offer top-of-the-line parts and a service system where we stock all components, as well as offer service bays to take care of any repair that you may need in-house.
If you have any questions about our products, our team is here to assist you. Engineering, technical support, and sales are all standing by to help.
At Bay-Lynx, our doors are always open, so please come by and pay us a visit, and we'll be excited to show you all the opportunities that we have to offer.